Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Design. Please subscribe this channel for mechanical design videos. So today we are going to learn how to make one animation, that is the exploded view animation and some collapse animation. Then please watch till end how to you can make the animation in SolidWorks. Okay, here I am just going to animate the knuckle joint animation. So please subscribe our channel and watch till end. So if you want to know how I just make this assembly design, please watch in the description. The link has been given and in the I button. Okay, so you have just go for the at first you have just I have made this assembly drawing. You have just go for the motion study. When you have just make the motion study, then go for this icon animation wizard. When you have just go for the animation wizard, you can see that the rotate, exploded and collapse option. At first you have to go for this exploded view option. In this exploded view option, you have just select this. You can see that I have just make it animated through here. When you have just click here, then you can just push it out. When you have just click here, you can just push it this type. When you have just click here, you can just push it backside. Okay, I'm just showing you like that. I'm just push it outside. Okay, I'm just push it outside. Here are these 5 parts. Okay, when you have just made it here, just click here explode it, then go for this wizard. So at first if you want to make it rotate, then go for the rotate model. Next, y-axis, go for the duration is 5 seconds. I made it 5 seconds. Okay, then go for the finish. When you have just finished it, just click here the play button. You can see that this is going to rotate, okay, for the 5 seconds. Then you can add this also. Just click here, this is the exploded view option. Click here exploded, next, and go for the 7 second and click here. This is going to be the exploded option. Okay, this is going to be the exploded option, and then you can go for again, and this is the collapse. Collapse means that goes inside. Okay, just go for the 7 second finish and go just make it the play button. You can see that everything is going on inside and all is going to be set. When you have just done all these, then go for this option. You can see that the simulate this animation has been done. Then you can just, if you made it play button, that all made automatically. You can see that at first it has rotated this way, then the exploded view option come. Okay, when the exploded view option come, then it's go for the collapse option, and you can see that the animation has been done. In this way, in SolidWorks, you can simply make these animated videos. Please subscribe our channel, and join the Telegram and Instagram link. And if you know how I can design this, in the link description, the video description, in the link below. So subscribe my channel till watch end. Thank you all.